Hello and welcome to Dungeon Downy with me, the Dragon, Still Rice. And happy Halloween! I am a Ghostbuster. Now, what fun festive thing will we do today? Well, since it's Halloween and I'm a Ghostbuster, I have a little idea. You see, I miss a certain drink that's been discontinued. Twice. Good old high C Ecto Cooler. I don't think I was even an egg when the original was out.
Correction, what Stale just said isn't true. Ecto Cooler was in fact discontinued in 1997, the year after the dragon was hatched.
But that's no matter, for in 2016, I finally got to try some. And boy, did I like it. I drank so many cans of it, I lost count. So today, I'm gonna make a mock-up of Ecto Cooler. Enough for a party. Although if you're watching this in 2020, you probably shouldn't go out to a party unless you're with family. But if you are, this should be really nice and tasty, and it's gonna have a fun twist for adults. So without much haste, let's go to the kitchen. But before I do, I'm gonna remove my paws real fast. And so we're gonna be making 2 quarts worth of Ecto Cooler. Let's get that down a bit. Like that. We're starting first with 1 can of orange concentrate. For more orange flavor, I've added 2 packets of orange Kool-Aid. It'll bring that familiar artificial juice flavor to it. I have also pre-measured here 2/3 of a cup of sugar. Kool-Aid calls for more than that, but I'm not using just that for sweetener. I'm also adding 1/3 of a cup's worth of lemon lime grenadine. There we go. And also the juice of 2 lemons. And for any leftover pieces, just throw that in there. Gonna give that a nice stir real fast. And we're adding water till it gets to the top. Get back in there. Now that looks nice, bright and orangey. But it's not very Ecto Cooler-y, is it? I mean, hey, after all, we want it looking like me. But don't worry, we'll have this looking like a liquidated me in a second. I've got here green dye. With how big this is, we're gonna be needing 17 drops worth. 1, 2, 9, 10, 11, 14, 15, 16, 17. Please do it on a table and don't hold it like this. Oh my goodness. Look at that go. Now, look at that color. Now this looks like proper Ecto Cooler. But folks, we're not done here just yet. You see, for the adults, I want to do something a little special here. One of my favorite alcoholic drinks is a nice, smooth mimosa. And given how orangey this is, I think we have an opportunity here to make something new. Ecto Cooler mimosa. Just take any Halloween themed cup you have lying around. Fill that half with champagne. Well, that's pretty. Look at them go. That fuzz go away. Add a little more. There we go. Take the Ecto Cooler. Fill the rest of the way. And there we go. Ecto Cooler mimosa. I'm going to try this, but first I must put on my human disguise. Ooh, there it is. Scary, isn't it? But now, let's give that a shot. Now, that hits the notes I want in mimosa. And the best part is, that jug right there still tastes like Ecto Cooler. So, you're throwing a little Halloween party, you got this for the adults and this for the kids. Now, this is a little unnerving, isn't it? I should get my disguise off, 1 second. And I'm back. Still have the human gloves though. And that is our Ecto Cooler mimosa. As stressful as times have been, it's still important to have fun, with precautions and safety in mind. Anyways, thank y'all very much for watching, and I'll see you next time in my dungeon.